Yo, Roku Nigeria. They do the original for everybody to know. I will speak on this game, man. Imagine that. We got love for a long. Now we gonna speak. Make it happen. This nigga. They know what is right, but they don't wanna do it. But we don't speak for them, man. We gonna pray about it. We gonna do more in the prayers, man. That's what we're gonna do. We gonna go and fight, cause we can fight, man. When they choose the position, they choose the money too. It doesn't matter how they doing by the money. Nigeria, giants of Africa, bless. Giants got money, man, but they can't let the money go around. Imagine that. Oh God, we put everything into your hands for them to see that we got God. Without God, man, we can't get this money. Imagine the money. Natural trust is blessed. Everything is there, but the money is just for them and their family alone. Imagine that. God is in heaven watching with his hand, first hand. Oh God, man. Time for judgment, but we're gonna fight about it. Right there for God to fight for us is best. Don't fight for yourself, man. They're gonna fight for you is best. Cause when God fight for you, man, they're gonna be down like Abacha. You know how it is. Nebuchadnezzar, you know how it is. And all those God has fallen. Put it all to yourself. Remember the Bible and put your faith on. Keep yourself, God. Put your yourself. Nigeria is the best in Africa, but we can't prove it. No citizenship right. Nothing to prove that we are this Nigeria. Oh God bless us, man, with the spirit for us to survive all the struggle. It's too hard for us to live in with the hard sun, with the hard hunger. Everybody's crying loud. They're hungry, man. They never care about it. What they gave us, they hid it on somewhere, but I don't know about that, but I know some more, man. God, man. We gotta put everything to the hand of God. Why? Because God made everybody in this life, but they are choosing money. They don't choose God. Ho ho ho. I'm sorry for them. When you choose the money, you ain't gonna die with it, man. When you die, one naira can't die with you. Imagine that. Do good now. Let God forgive you and give you more life. Be wise up. Forget the money. When you die, the money is not gonna be in your well. It's gonna be somewhere else, it's gonna get scattered. So do the right thing now, everybody. I know you're watching. If you can't watch, your children's gonna watch it. Put your heads together. Let everybody be together, man. Nigeria is blessed. We shouldn't be like this because the future of the children, the youth now crying. Everybody got a head. Remember, you can't use everybody's head. Imagine you wanna be there all the time with your family, with your generation. Is it by force? Not by force, man. It's for everybody, not for one family. Imagine that greedy ass. All you doing, judgment is coming. You're gonna die with a shame. I bless you. You can't do nothing to me. I'm in the hands of God. You will see it when you fire of God come to your family. Man, fuck off, man. All you doing is greedy, man. Greedy ass for some people to die so you could live. Imagine that. God never created that. God never did that. You are too greedy. Don't be greedy. You are greedy for you. When you came to this life, you came with nothing. When you are going with nothing. So why are you doing this now? It's wickedness and greediness which is gonna kill you and your generation. Don't worry about it. We don't worry. We never die, but we will speak the loud. So that's okay. We are speaking loud now. We want all you all to know because I'm gonna put this on your page so you could see it and hear it. God is there. All in prayers, we're gonna put it together. We're not gonna fight. Nobody's gonna fight anymore. Yes, God is good all the time. It's Roku Nigeria, man. Peace.